Timberland boots, often referred to as Tims, are a timeless and versatile footwear option that can be styled in various ways to create fashionable and functional outfits for women. Whether you're going for a casual, edgy, or chic look, Tims can add a rugged yet stylish touch to your ensemble. Here is how to style Timberland boots for women across different outfit ideas. For an effortlessly cool and casual streetwear vibe, pair your Tims with comfortable and relaxed pieces. Oversized hoodie and leggings. Combine a cozy oversized hoodie with a pair of back leggings or joggers. The contrast between the sleek leggings and the chunky Tims creates a balanced, laid back look. Add a beanie and sunglasses for an extra touch of street style. Layer a denim jacket over a simple t-shirt and pair it with skinny jeans. Tuck your jeans into your Tims for a sleek, streamlined look. Finish with a crossbody bag for a practical yet stylish outfit. Tims are perfect for creating an edgy, bold look that's both stylish and strong. Pair your Tims with a black leather jacket and distressed jeans for a rock inspired outfit. The combination of textures, smooth leather, rugged denim, and sturdy boots creates a tough, edgy aesthetic. Add a graphic tee or band tee underneath the jacket to complete the look. For a grunge inspired outfit, wear a plaid shirt over fox leather leggings. Tuck the shirt in slightly at the front for a relaxed vibe and let the Tims add a finishing touch of attitude. You can also style your Tims in a more feminine and chic way by pairing them with softer, more delicate pieces. Contrast the ruggedness of the Tims with a flowy floral dress. Add a pair of black tights for warmth and style. This combination of feminine and tough elements creates a balanced, finished, forward look. Opt for a cozy sweater dress in a neutral tone like beige or grey. Pair it with Tims for a chic yet comfortable outfit. Accessories with a chunky scarf and a structured handbag to add some sophistication. Tims are a go-to choice for winter, providing both warmth and style. Stay warm and stylish by pairing your Tims with a puffer jacket and skinny jeans. Choose a puffer in a bold color like red or mustard to add some brightness to your winter look. A knit beanie and gloves will keep you cozy and complete the outfit. For a more polished winter outfit, layer a turtleneck sweater under a wool coat. Pair this with fitted trousers or jeans tucked into your Tims. The boots add a rugged touch to the otherwise sleek and sophisticated ensemble. Believe it or not, Tims can be styled in a way that's suitable for a casual work environment, blending comfort with a professional edge. Pair a tailored blazer with boyfriend jeans for a relaxed yet polished look. Roll up the cuffs of the jeans to show off your Tims and add a simple blouse underneath the blazer. This outfit strikes a balance between casual and professional. Opt for a crisp button down shirt tucked into slim fit chinos. The Tims add a touch of ruggedness to this clean office appropriate outfit. Add a belt and a minimalist tote bag to complete the look. Tims are perfect for outdoor activities thanks for their durability and comfort. Embrace an outdoorsy vibe by pairing your Tims with a utility jacket and cargo pants. This combination is both practical and stylish, ideal for hiking or casual outdoor adventures. Add a backpack and aviator sunglasses for a complete look. Timberland boots are a versatile and stylish addition to any wardrobe, offering endless possibilities for creating fashionable outfits. Whether you are going for a casual streetwear look, an edgy ensemble, or a chic and feminine outfit, Tims can be styled to suit any occasion. With the right pieces and a bit of creativity, you can create outfits that are not stylish but also comfortable and practical, making Tims a must have in your footwear collection. Thank you for tuning into Luna Fashion and Beauty. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion and beauty tips.